downward facing dog tutorial. What not to do
Hi,
when
I'm
you're in
Megan.
dog.
Here at Vital Living Yoga with Megan is all about creating a strong body and a strong mind. Before you hop on the mat, like and subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos just like this.
What not to do on downward facing dog. It's a pose that you find in every vinyasa class. And I am giving you 3 tips today to help you master the pose according to your body. Yes, your body is the one that dictates the shape of the pose. Let's get started. Tip number 1. When you are on downward facing dog, you want to respect the shape of your hands. Your hands has a curvature in the center. The palm of your hands needs to be respected. When you are on down dog, you want to grasp the mat with your fingers and protect the palm. Never keep your palm flat. That will cause problem. That's right. Again, downward facing dog, hands number 1. Very important to keep the palm of your hands. You come into your hands and knees, you grasp the mat with your fingertips in a way that protects the palm of your hand. Tip number 2. To protect your shoulders, it's very important to lock your shoulder girdle. How do we do that? Come into your hands and knees, grip the mat with your fingers, and then rotate your elbows towards the back of the room. In this way, your shoulders you create more mobility on your upper body. Cool? Tip number 3. When our hamstrings are tight, we will not be able to have our legs straight. Trying to keep our legs straight force our upper body to fall over our wrist. Bringing an awkward position between plank and down dog. What is that? Right. We want to, in this case, if your hamstrings are tight, we want to make sure you have room for them to lengthen by bringing your feet wider. That is very important to create that lengthening of your hamstrings. So let me demo for you. Come into your tabletop, grip the mat with your hands, press your elbows towards the back of the room. Now tuck your tailbone under and your toes on the mat. Lift. If your hamstrings are tight and you are falling over your wrist, you want to open your feet wider. This will allow you to create more lengthening and then pressing your shoulders back towards your hips. Look to your toe. Walk your dog. Lengthening those hamstrings will allow you to bring more mobility to your thigh muscles. And over time, on your own pace, and over your practice, your hamstrings will lengthen, and then you will not have the same challenge of falling over your wrists. Cool? Yeah? Got this? Leave me a comment below. Let me know if you have tight hamstrings. I'll see you tomorrow on the mat. Bye.